Okay, so this section is AA similarity of triangles. So how do you show that two triangles are similar? So let's talk about this first. So triangle congruency. Okay. And we have triangle similarity. Which is just this. So we have angle, side angle. We can show triangle congruency with angle, side angle. We can show it with angle, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Side, side, side. And have hot news. Leg. I feel like I'm forgetting one, but that's gotta be it. And then similarity, though, we can use angle, 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 which we can't use. Remember, there's no AAA to save your ASS. Those are the two we can't use. So in similarity, though, we can use AAA, except we just call it AA, because we know if two angles in a triangle are congruent, the third angle in the triangle is congruent. There's no reason to be redundant. There's no reason to say it twice. So this is the way I remember it. I take that third A and I put it here. I surround it with S's. And then it's SSS. So those are the only three that you can use. Angle, angle, side, angle, side, and side, side, side. And there they are. Angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. But that's the way I remember them. I'm going to do it again. AA, and I take that third A and write it below it. Surround it with S's. And then I have side, side, side also. All right, so find the indicated length if possible. So it wants BE. So I'm going to write an X here. So I'm going to do proportions. These are similar, so I know the ratios will be the same. So 36 is to 54 as 54 is to X. So let me show you how I did that. Little is to big as little is to big. And then I cross multiply. 36x equals 54 times 54. And I don't have a calculator handy, so I'm not doing it. So you can do the rest. All right. Oh, and by the way, the side, side, side is if all three sides are proportional, not congruent, proportional to the other sides, okay? Same here. Two sides are proportional, and remember, similar sides are in similar shapes, sides are proportional, angles are congruent. Okay, so here we have, this is the small side of the triangle to the big side, and it wants RT. So it wants from here to here. So I have, and then I have small to big. All right, so small is to big as, and I just say as for the equal sign, small is to big. Do you see that pattern? Small is to big as small is to big. Cross multiply. And then divide. X equals 15. Okay. So builder was giving a design. We know these triangles are similar. Find A, B. So small is to big. as small is to big. 9x equals 90. X equals 10. Now this one's a little harder. So PQ is here, but I'm going to ignore it for a second, okay? And we're going to think about this whole side, and I'll put a Y there, okay? So let's ignore the X and just think. So do you see that the 9 and the 12 are the same corresponding sides? If I rewrote this SRP, so I've got this here and 12's here, okay? So you see 12 is to 9, or 9 is to 12, right? And then the small side is 15 is to Y. So 9Y equals 180. Excuse me. And then divide by 9 and I get 20. Now to find X is going to equal 20 minus 9. So X equals 11. What is incorrect with the following proportion? Well, I got Y is to 8. All right, so we got big is to little as big is to little. Except that Y is not the big side. The big side is Y plus 8. All right, determine whether the given triangles are similar. So remember, we need angle, angle, or we need side, angle, side, or side, side, side. So I know I have an angle, right? A congruent angle. So let's see. Let's see about these sides. Well, this would match this. So 4 is to 6 as 8 is to 12. Now, are these equal? Well, we can use cross multiplication to check. 4 times 12 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. So yes, they are congruent or similar because of side, angle, side. Let's see if these. All right, so I'm an angle. This would match this, and this would match that. But they are not any of these because this would be angle, side, side. So this is no. This one, well, I know I can figure out, I can prove this by side, 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 because I know this side is 4, Pythagorean theorem, and this side is going to be 6, and those all, 3 is to 6, as 4 is to 8, as 5 is to 10. Those are all equal, so that's a yes. And that is it for 11.4. Nice and quick.